welcome back to the vlog. Today we're going to Shanghai. I know for us Filipino travelers, China hasn't always been on our flight radar. So today, join us as we explore this country. First up, Shanghai. Hello, it's day 1 in Shanghai. It's 22 degrees, sakto lang. Naka-skirt and ang tawag dito, manipis na long sleeve. May metro ba tayo? Hello! We're in subway. Hindi siya subway, metro ng Shanghai. Parang Hong Kong feels din. Dek! Pro tip number 1, download Alipay. Everything in China is cashless. You don't need to carry around any cash. So to download Alipay, just go to your app store, search for Alipay, and simply download. This will be the interface. The first thing you need to do is to add bank or credit card. So just link it, type in your bank card number, and you're already good to go. And then afterwards, you can use it for transport. Just click transport, and you can use it either at the bus or at the metro. So at the metro, a QR code will be shown. You need to scan upon entering and scan again after exiting. You can also use it to pay the vendors. Just use the QR code. You can also scan them. And good thing is, you can also use GCash. We're going today, ang itinerary is magpa-parks kami para makakita ng cherry blossoms kung meron pa. Bakit kami ng escalator? Ay, ang tawag dito, overpass. May escalator, mga mi. Ha! The weather is just sunny. Hindi mainit. Mga 22 degrees. Sakto lang. We're going to ride the bus. Ayan o! Chuta! This is Shanghai. Parang Singapore. Feels. That is their electric bus. Sabihin mo naman kung saan tayo punta ngayon.
Sa park.
Anong pangalan ng park?
Aeroplano.
Anong pangalan ng park?
Hindi ko alam. Genshin Impact.
Tanga. Naging Japanese ang putya. We're in the bus station waiting for the bus to go to Zhengshan Botanical Garden. Maghahanami kami. Meron pa naman mga cherry blossoms na nakikita dito. Pero ibang variety. Yung meron pang mga leaves.
Tapos na ibig sabihin yung patapos na siya. Kaya may damon na.
Ganun ba yun?
Oo. From a bud, bubuka, mahuhulog yung petal. Tapos dahon na yung nalaman.
So ano na siya? The rest of the season? Ganun lang.
Dahon.
Ganun. So dito, puro electronic cars na. Daddy, nandito yung mga MG mo, mga Geely, mga... may Tesla din. Ano pa yung mga ano dito? Yung kagabi sinakyan namin from the airport, Volkswagen siya. Tapos, pero electronic. Ang ganda ng GPS na dito. Anyway, nag-DD na lang kami kasi medyo matagal pa yung bus. Dito na ako lagi mag-film kasi payat yung side ng face ko. Here's our DD. Yeah, we're at Zhengshan National Botanical Garden pala. Ano siya? 50! Ito yung ano. Ay, 60. RMB. RMB or Chinese yuan is the same. Renminbi yung RMB. So, that's literally the same. Bagsak na yung cherries. Pero, ayun na sila. Oh. Tapos na ang pink flowers. We're now pink trees. Pink snow na tayo ngayon. Maganda pa rin. Ayun o, naglilipad-lipad. Can you see? It's raining. Oh my God. Oh my God, I love this. Annyeong Sakura! Ano ba yan? When I was in Tokyo, I was too early.
Yung 1 week mong pinahinga.
Tapos, a week later, I'm too late for Shanghai. So, yung 1 week kong pinahinga na nag-slide na duty. Doon. I spoke too soon. The cherries are still here. Actually, hindi ako sure kung cherries ba yan. I think these are plum blossoms.
啊，这算晚
I'm not really sure. Or ibang variety. May mga cherry trees pa. So nice, oh. One, a two, a three. Come on! Bakit hayok na hayok tayo dito? At bakit hindi ba siya mabuhay-buhay sa Pilipinas? Ganda, oh. Those are cherries. Ah! Hello! So this is trees full of cherry blossoms. Bumaba na siya. Ito mo, imagine if fully... Ay! Ako naman, napakailap na cherry blossom. Itong wala sa Pilipinas talaga. No? Welcome spring in Kimeme, Shanghai. These are magnolia siguro yan. To spring in Shanghai. Hello. Andito pa rin kami sa garden. We're going to take this parang golf cart for 5 Chinese yuan to take us around the park. Medyo maingay sila talaga. Pero ganda, oh. Dek, hello. Dek. Hello. You know, life reminds us to take it slow sometimes. Pause, move slow, just breathe. When things are fun and you're happy, you don't want to rush it. You want to savor it. Spring in Shanghai. What's that saying again? The brightest flames burn the fastest. So if you're having fun, if you're enjoying things, just relax. Take it slow. You'll be okay. May dome din sila rito, yung parang sa Singapore. Ganyan. Ito yung mga pang-tropical plants. Medyo mas humid dito. I'm so happy. Wala niyo kung bakit. I came here for cherry blossoms. Look what I found. In 1, 2, 3. Napakagandang wisteria. Ang bango din niya. Ganda. Ganda niya. Ganda ko din. Charas! Oh my god, I'm so happy. Look at this tree. Oh my god. And it smells great too. Ito na ito? O man-made to?
Man-made.
These are the wisteria flowers. Ay, pwede ako mangalekta dito. Perfect. I will keep these. This is their subway. Ayos, no? Linis. We are at Nanjing Road, Shopping Street. Ganda dito. Oh, I think it's a park. Oh, may pa isa-isang cherry blossoms pa. And to deck. Gosh, it's hot. Yan yung mga city sightseeing buses. Uy, dek muna tayo dito sa W Management. Diyan daw yung sikat nila, yung parang Uniqlo nila. Dito, on your left. Pro tip number 3, download Amaps for navigation. It's the same as Google Maps. You just have to type in your location. For example, we went from our hotel at Jinjiang Inn, and then we're going to Shanghai Disneyland. It's the same as Google Maps. It would show you the various modes of transportation. You could use it by car, by walking. It would also show you if the distance is too far for walking, or the most common route is by train. Then it will show you the different routes in the train that you could take. Hello, I'm in East Nanjing Road. Another mega city. Daming tao. Ganda mini Solando, parang yung Don Quixote nila rin. Cherries are still here. Hello, I'm at Gukun Park. Can you see the cherries? It's not too late. It's not too late. Charot. Kasi ito yung last day of illumination nila hanggang April 9 na lang. Ayan siya. Annyeong!
Dito na.
Yun na nga, we're at the Gukun Park. We're going to see the illumination, cherry blossoms. Ito ang ticket. It's around 10 RMB or 10 Chinese yuan, which is around 150 pesos. Ewan bakit mura. Dapat 20 pesos to. 10 na lang. Dahil hapon na. Walang tao. So, siguro wala ng cherry kasi. We are in, anong restaurant to? Dek? Liao Liao? Dito, sa restaurant na to. For some crab, xiaolongbao. Ayun, paano ginagawa? Ayan. Ayan. Eating dinner here at Liao Liao Xiaolong. Parang crab roe ang sikat nila. Tapos humingi ako ng tubig. Parang katulad sa Hong Kong. Ay, te, paano ko iinumin ito? Uhaw na ako. Kain na tayo. I'm so gutom. Hello, it's day 2 in Shanghai. It's medyo mas malamig ngayon, pero natuto na ako kahapon, sobrang init. So, naka-blouse lang ako. Medyo makapal naman to, and skirt. Anong oras na ba? It's 10 a.m. Ang itinerary for today will go to Zhujiao, ancient town.
上海浦远广灯，该左边的沿上海隧道。本次列车终点站虹桥。
Yu cha chow.
It's malamig. Thanks, strawberry.
Pagbalik na. Magkano? Tinan mo nga. Ayun o, 50. Ay. 1. 15 yuan lang.
Pero for one lang.
Oo.
Wala tayo.
Hindi, may ano siya, Alipay siya.
Hindi pa si Aling vendor. Naman doon.
Mura naman nun.
Bili na tayo kaya.
Mamaya na pagbalik mo na.
Welcome to, ayun yung welcome to ano? New Jiao Jiao. Saan ba tayo punta?
Tignan tayo dito. Parang dito ba?
Kunyari kay Pop Idol ka na may sumusunod ka na vlog. Ganyan sila. Hindi ako sasing. Parang yun yung nagbablog.
Andun sa mali tayo. Dive kami dun.
Ay, nasa ano po kami? Nasa Nabotas. The water is so clean. More enough para ano, tumubo ang marine life. Nagbibenta ng pagong, guys. Come on! Literal, is that a pagong? Hindi ko andito ako sa shooting ng ano, Pursuit of Jade. Taray. Ang ka ba ng Pursuit of Jade? Parang dito yung shooting ng parang market ba? Parang ito yung kinakain natin sa Bintan.
Wala. Ikot-ikot mo.
Yung ganun. Dito yun, di ba?
Eh, doon po. May damage na ako. I bought a bag. Binangot. So cute. For 150 yuan. Or 1 pesos. Yan na ba? Nakakahilo naman yung bangkang yan. Ba't ganyan? Pero malinis ang tubig nila. May seaweed. Ito ba dyan? Ha? Ano ba yan? Pero yung menu hindi Chinese. Kain tayo ng lunch kaya dito. Tignan mo yung mga ali. Parang kumbaga sa Pilipinas nang saan tayo. Saan ba yung may ganito? Malabon? Nabotas? O, para binondo pero malinis. May tubig. Tapos malinis ang tubig. Hindi amoy kanal. Daming cute shops. Muntik niya na ako sinagasaan dun ah. Pero naman, dito na naman may mga bag na naman oh. Pero mga kung magkano to? Ito. Pakatingnan lang kung magkano to. 99.
How much is that? 600 pesos? Daming isda! Bunog. Ayan na naman yung bago. Sobrang ganda rito.
Dito, tatayo ako dito.
Daming mga quaint little shops. Para ako nasa filming site ng mga Chinese films. O, diba? May restaurant kang ganyan. O, jupa! So pretty. O, diba? It's so pretty here.
Oh, ear cleaning ko, 20 RMB.
Ear cleaning, tatanggalin yung wax. Magkano?
20.
Dito sa ancient town of Zuyaoya.
Anong iba-iba na yung ano mo? yuan?
200.
200 yuan? Buong ano na, buong taon na.
Hindi,
Buong
pabalik.
ancient town. So, hindi ka pwedeng mag-stop-stop sa mga store dyan?
Pwede din sakyan yan, pabalik dun. Kung may kasabay tayo, tignan natin kung may kasabay tayo.
20 each?
Hindi 200 isang bangka. Tapos kung 6 kayo, di maghati-hati kayo.